So you have just got a Fire TV stick and wanna start streaming on your HiSense Roku TV? You are in the right place. Let's get it connected and set up in just a few minutes. So first you have to grab your Fire TV stick and connect the power cable to the stick. Then plug the other end into a power adapter and connect it to a power outlet. Next, plug the Fire TV stick into an available HDMI port on your back of your TV. If your TV has a HDMI ARC port, you can use it, but any HDMI port will work. Now on your HiSense Roku TV, go to the home screen and select TV inputs. Now here you have to choose the HDMI input where you connected the Fire TV stick. After a few moments, the Fire TV setup screen should appear. And just you have to grab your Fire TV remote to set it up first. And that's it. Now your Fire TV stick is connected and ready to use. Now enjoy streaming your favorite apps and content. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for staying tuned with Freak269 till the end.